What is a buried sharp? In other words, what does it mean when a sharp gets buried in a white? And that is a symptom of the wrong key height and the wrong key depth, key dip. I'm gonna show it to you right here. Our piano, and you can kind of look down the keys and you can see some unevenness in the key level. But the biggest problem is the sharps are buried under the whites. So when you push a sharp down, it just goes under. You can actually feel with your finger when you push down. It is buried beneath the level of the whites. So you can see that. It's very, very underneath. That means this has too much key depth and this might have not enough key height. So this whole thing needs to be re-regulated. You want to learn how to do that? Check out apexpiano.com. You can see up here, these might not be buried. See? Oh no, these are buried. They're all buried. Maybe these were new key whites and somebody replaced the key tops, but they never adjusted the height of the key or the key dip. I just realized while recording that video, I look like the nutty professor of pianos. I don't know, my hair's sticking up, this lighting, it's crazy. Also, this piano is very poorly regulated. The hammer distance, the hammer let off is like this far, it's like an inch, which makes the piano feel really weird. See if you can see that. Also very grouped. You can see, it might be hard for you to see exactly how low that is, but it's very low if you look at it from this angle. These hammers are letting off very low. So overall, it can feel clunky, it'll feel strange, it'll mostly not repeat, it will not play pianissimo. So you have to do regulation on a piano like this. If you want to learn more, go to apexpiano.com.